birthday. It's your birthday. Birthday. It's your birthday. Birthday.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe because I have fun videos on the way. But as you can see, I have my wine, my K-pop because it's my birthday. I love it.
Here, so this video is going to be a birthday haul video. So I'm gonna show you some things I got myself for my birthday and also some things I received. So grab your wine, your snack, and come on back. If you're not 21 and up, then don't drink, please. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I'm going to show you is my Ulta. Stuff I got from Ulta. So, let's jump on in. You know, also give you your little free birthday gift, which is some mascara, nothing special. Then I got the NYX Epic ink pen, the Epic ink liner. Then I got the NYX Dewy finish spray. Next I got the NYX Paradise Fluff highlighter, and it's in Sweet Cluster, I believe. Then I got this from Ulta, this little eyeshadow palette, which was free. Then I got a NYX pencil and what is this? Black. And then I got another they're both eyeliners, and I got another one in moss, but I'm gonna use this for a lippy. Then I got the Urban Decay. What is this? Urban Decay Cherry Naked Cherry palette. Then, okay, this is a gift I received, so let's see what it is. I'm excited. Look. What is that? Okay, let's see. Okay, the booklet. I'm like a big old kid. Oh, shit. I might have to boost this out. Look at these babies. Oh my God, these are super pretty. These are called the Fluff Slides. Yeah. Oh my God, these are the house shoes by UGG. Of course, as you can see, these are, oh my God, these are so cute. Y'all, living my best life. Oh my God. Okay, this was a gift. Thank you. I love my gift. If you're watching, you know who you are. So, okay, next. This video is not in no type of order neither, because I know I just did makeup and now I'm hopping back to makeup. But from Mac, I just got this the Ruby Woo lipstick. Can't go wrong with red lip. Okay, next is, should we do the BBW? Okay, so from Bath and Body Works, I got this Unicorn Thought Bubbles. This is foamy mousse hand sanitizer. So pretty packaging, if you can see that. And then I got the frosted cranberry candle. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. Then I got what is this? Twisted peppermint. Can y'all see it? Okay, here we go. The packaging is very beautiful. Yeah, my video gonna be everywhere. Next from BBW is the Twisted Peppermint hand sanitizer. Then I have some Winter Berry Wonder lotion. Can y'all see? And then also, I ended up getting the Twisted Peppermint lip gloss as well. Y'all see this? We Gucci over here, baby. So, I want to show y'all what I got from the Gucci store. Whoop. So it comes in this cute little box, and then this is where your receipt comes in at, and then the wrapping. Okay, so let's see. I might need this. Look, y'all, you know what? Where my wine at? I need my wine. I need my wine. Like, I'm for real. Y'all gonna have to hold on.
20 minutes later.
Alright. The struggle is real. You know I'm old as hell. Look, I couldn't even get up. Damn. When you get old, y'all, old like me, y'all gonna have them same type of problems where you can't get up. Come on, man. Damn. Alright. So I just got some little tissue wrap paper in here. And the little dust bag tied up. Okay, so you know what? This was gifted from myself to myself. And this, all this damn tissue. You know what? I can't. This. Oh my God! Wait, y'all, look. This belt is beautiful. I forgot the name of this belt. I want to say it's Torsion. I'm not sure. I'm going to put the link to this belt below. So, if you want to buy this belt, you can. So, this belt retails for $430, but with tax is $455.80. So, it's not bad at all. So, I plan on wearing this belt high-waisted or waist level, and I think I got a size 95 in this belt. So, what is it? Okay, it's a 95. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. So that's that. Let's move on, because I don't want no long ass videos. I hate long videos. So let's keep this moving. So next item is from Forever 21. And I got this really cute cream crop top sweater, and it's kind of like distressed. It's V-neck, and it has like the little distress at the bottom on the sleeve and the back. I will put the link below for this top, and also I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere up top to show you what it looks like on the model. And I just got a large in this shirt, and this shirt was $19.90. Super cute. Okay, Walmart. Yes, I shop at Walmart. Walmart has some cute stuff. I usually don't get the clothes though, but I was browsing like, you know what? They got some cute stuff. Shit. Look at this sweater. This material is like super soft. It's turtleneck. It is so cute. I think this was only like $16 and some change. Yes. And this is the back. Like I said, this video all over the place. So this brush is from TJ Maxx, and this is just the brush. What is this? Brush Crush Kabuki glitter brush. Okay. Yes, honey. Then for my Fashion Nova bags, yo. Alright, this lighting sucks, but I got this onesie. Okay, it's called Miss Wilson PJ onesie, and this is from Fashion Nova, and it's just a cute little onesie with unicorns and stuff like that on there. Oh, you know what? This would be so cute with my fluffy hairs. This thing fit. It has stretch too. Like it fits super tight. Oh, y'all don't be looking at my body. No. Okay, so this is from Charlotte Russe. And this is, what is this? Okay, these are just some fishnets, tights. Every girl needs some fishnets in the winter, y'all. But the next, this is from AliExpress. And you know what? I'm gonna have to show y'all what I got to go with this. So it comes like this, and you snap the ball on top, and you have this cute little you got this cute little hat, right? It sheds, but it's cute. It's cute. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all why I got this hat. Y'all stay. Okay. So this is from JCPenney. So I got this coat. How cute is this? This is bomb, y'all. This is called, this is from the brand ANA. And this coat it retailed for like $150. I think I got it on sale for like $90. What a deal. And I got this hat to go with it. On the camera, this hat looks brighter than the coat, but you know what? It still go. You know what? It is brighter, but it goes, you know. I'm going to rock this together. Also, you can bring it in the waist. So if you want it to be smaller in the waist. And I got this bag to go with it. I been got this bag. It's not part of my birthday gift, but I thought I'd share it with you. And this is from Charming Charlie's, and I think I got this bag on sale for like $20 maybe. It's a shoulder bag. This is real cute. I'm gonna be green out, y'all. I'm gonna be making y'all seasick. Next is Charlotte Russe again, and I just got this cute long silver necklace, and it got a whole bunch of stuff on there, like moons and all this other stuff. I thought it was cute. This was like $6. These might be my last pieces, I think. So this is from Fashion Nova, and this is a gift that was gifted to me. So we're gonna open this together and see what it is. Cleaning up this mess because I'm not. No, I'm not. Let's see. So I had like a little birthday list. What you call it? Wish list on is it a wish list on Fashion Nova? I don't know. But okay, let's see what this is, y'all. Comes in a little bag like this, and these are called the Hustle Jeans. So these are, ooh, these are some high-waisted black jeans that has stretch in them. I love a good stretch, y'all. And these look, these skinny legs, I guess these are skinny legs. Okay, those are cute. Let's see what else. I think this is from my mom because she asked me what I wanted. And okay, so, and then this is the bag, and this is the retro vibes bodysuit. So let's, okay, this is cute. Looks small. Okay. Okay, y'all. This is cute. It's a collar. Has a collar on it. Little bodysuit is giving me. This also has a stretch in it. It's giving me what is it? Fendi vibes almost. You know, the color and the little designs, except everything has F's on them. So yeah, you know what? I'm thinking about rocking. Of course, I'm gonna rock this as a fit with these cute ass sock boots that I got. I think this will look so cute together. I got this boot from Payless. Why pay more when you can pay less? And these boots were, I think they retail for $44 or $45, and I think I got these on sale for $20. So yes, you can look good on a budget, baby. So I'm glad you guys came to party with me on my birthday. Please give this video thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified the next time I upload. I'm looking forward to new subscribers, so I hope you guys subscribe. And wish me a happy birthday, y'all. Don't be scared to comment. So, yeah. Until next time, baby.